Here's how a Windows user is going to use a snippet tool. First, what you're gonna do is you're gonna push the Windows key on your computer, which is towards the bottom left-hand corner of your screen or your keyboard, and then the search menu is gonna pop up. You're gonna type in snippet, and you only get a couple letters in, and there it is, snipping tool. So here's what you would do: is you click New, and then go to Mode. You're gonna select rectangular snip mode. And then you go over to the area that you want to snip, and you click and hold and drag until you open up the area that you want to do, and there you go, there's your snippet, there's your screenshot. And then what you're going to do is you're going to save as, put it in a file where you know where it's at, and then come over here, I'm going to go place embedded, we're going to find that snippet, place it, and then just like the other instructions, note, you're going to put it in here and hit enter, and there you go.